Hello everyone, myself Arun Sharma, PGD Physics from Cambridge International School, Dusuba. So today we will start the chapter number 10, light reflection and refraction of light. In my last video we will complete this chapter. So today we will recap the full chapter of light, reflection and refraction of light. So first of all, just a recap of formulas, your ray diagram and the some numericals. So your chapter is light, reflection and refraction of light. Refraction of light. So first of all, you know the light, we can introduce introduction of this chapter is a blue color of sky. Clouds are generally white in color. Rainbow formed after rain, and at sunrise and sunset sun look red in color. And if you see the object, if you see any object, then the incident ray from the source of light strike on a object and reflect your eyes, then the image is formed on the retina of your eye, and retina send a message to the brain by a nerve system. That's why we can interact, identify that object. Then our first question is, how do we see object? So first of all, suppose you are standing in a dark room. We will standing in a dark room, and will you able to see the fan or any object kept in your room? Your answer is no. Means you are standing in a dark room and we will not able to see the object kept in our room. Our answer is no. And now if we light a candle in the room, you will not able to see the candle flame. अगर आप एक डार्क रूम में खड़े हैं और आपके रूम में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, कुछ चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं, तो आपका आंसर ये है कि आप उन ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं देख पा रहे हो. अगर आप रूम में एक कैंडल लगा देते हो, तो जो कैंडल का फ्लेम है उसको तो आप देख नहीं पाएंगे, पर जो सराउंडिंग में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पड़े हुए हैं, कोई भी जो आपकी अलमीरा है, फैन है, टेबल है, तो उन ऑब्जेक्ट को आप क्या कर पाएंगे, देख पाएंगे. देन वी आर एबल टू सी the candle flame because light from the flame reaches our eye and fall on the retina, and this light is converted into electrical signal. Light energy get converted into electrical signal, and which move to rear of your brain and then interact the information transmitted by light. The system of your brain can interact the color, the shape and the object, and we can say that the image is formed on the retina, which is interpreted by a brain. Means आप एक डार्क रूम में आपके कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पड़े हुए हैं, आप उन ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं देख पा रहे हैं. बट अगर आप एक कैंडल को ऑन करते हैं तो कैंडल के फ्लेम को आप नहीं देख पाएंगे, पर जो उसके सराउंडिंग, जो आपके रूम में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट पड़ा हुआ है, उसको आप देख पाएंगे. तो आप ऑब्जेक्ट को कैसे देख पा रहे हैं कि जो लाइट एनर्जी है, लाइट एनर्जी या लाइट सिग्नल गेट कन्वर्ट इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल जो है आपके ब्रेन में जाएगा और ब्रेन के थ्रू आप उन ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे. So that is the introduction of your light. So next part is your important. In my last video we will discuss about the what is an light. So you know, light is an electromagnetic wave which possesses energy and produce sensation of vision. Means light is an electromagnetic wave which possesses energy and produce sensation of vision. After that we will study the important facts of light. So your first facts is light wave is a transverse wave. Second point, it does not need a material medium for the propagation, and light wave can travel in vacuum also. Next, in an isotropic medium, isotropic means a medium which has same property throughout the medium. Light travel in a straight line, and straight line show the direction of movement of light. Light travel in a straight line, and the straight line, this is also called a beam of light. Beam of light or a parallel beam of light, or a parallel beam of light. Next one, the bundles of ray is called a beam of light. A beam of light in which a ray propagate in such a way that they move to converge at a point. If the light ray converges at a point, mean light, it is called a converging beam of light, and one point the ray can be diverged, that is called a diverging beam of light. One is converging and other is diverging beam of light. The speed of light in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So these are the topic we will discuss in a previous video. So move on, just a hint or recap the last topic. Next one here, reflection of light. Reflection of light means bending of light is called a reflection of light. Let us consider a plane mirror. Here it's a normal. Now the ray of light strike at a point, that is O, and this is your N, this is your A. This ray is called incident ray, and this is your reflected ray. Mean bending of light in a same medium. Mean it's a air medium. The angle made by incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle made by reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. This is also called law of reflection. So law of reflection state that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Mean these two angles are same. If this angle is 40 degree, then this angle is also a 40 degree. Mean angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is A, O, N, and this point is B. Then we can say that angle AON is equal to angle BON. Your second point, law of reflection, it's your 1 or 2 marks question. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in a same plane. So after that we will study the object or a real or a virtual image. So you can say that what is a real image. A real image, it is found in actual interaction of the light ray. A real and virtual image. Virtual, a real mean it is actual interaction of the light ray. Virtual, it is found when the reflected ray do not actually meet, जो एक्चुअल में मीट नहीं कर रही है, दैट इज योर वर्चुअल. Your real image, it can be projected on the screen. It can be projected on the screen. Virtual, it does not projected on the screen. Now, for a real image, it is found in front of the mirror, and a virtual, it is found behind the mirror. तो एक mirror के behind बन रही है. After that, we will study a mirror. What is a mirror? Mirror is a curved surface. Is a curved surface whose one side is polished, and other side get reflection. So these are of two type of mirror. One is concave mirror and second is convex mirror. So remember, what is a concave mirror? Concave mirror is that mirror whose outer side is polished, and what is an outer side is polished and inner side get reflection. What is a convex mirror? Convex mirror is that mirror whose inner side is polished and outer side get reflection. So after that, few definitions regarding mirror. This is your concave mirror. जो लाइन इस मिरर को सेंटर से काटेगी उस लाइन को बोलेंगे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. सेकेंड पॉइंट, जहां पे द सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द मिरर इज कॉल्ड ए पोल, दैट इज P. थर्ड पॉइंट, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. If we draw the sphere of this mirror, the central part of the mirror is called a center of curvature. Next one, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature means the distance between pole and center of curvature is called radius of curvature. Next one, principal focus. So principal focus mean principal axis, this point pole. If incident ray parallel to the principal axis meet at a point, reflected ray cut on the principal axis, this point is called principal focus, and principal focus is denoted by capital F. Next one, focal length. So we can say that this is your principal focus, capital F. This point is pole. So what is a focal length? The distance between pole and principal focus is called focal length, and focal length is denoted by small f. After that, aperture. The reflecting part of the mirror is called a aperture. जहाँ से ये reflection देगा, the reflecting part of the mirror is called a aperture. So these are the definition regarding your mirrors. After that, relationship between focal length and radius of curvature. रिलेशन, इसके ऊपर आपको न्यूमेरिकल आता है, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन फोकल लेंथ एंड रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स योर concave mirror, principal axis, this point pole, if incident ray parallel to the principal axis, a reflected ray cut on the principal focus, and second one is your center of curvature. अब आपको पता है द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पोल एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इज कॉल्ड ए रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर r, एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पोल एंड प्रिंसिपल फोकस इज कॉल्ड ए फोकल लेंथ, दैट इज f. So we can consider this angle is theta and this angle is 2 theta, and we can draw this point is A. We can draw the normal from this point, that is equal to n. Now taking triangle ANC here, ANC here, AN perpendicular upon NC base is equal to, perpendicular is equal to sin theta, base is equal to cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, that is an upon nc is equal to, that is equal to r. Here r tan theta is approximately equal to theta, then theta is equal to an upon r. This is your equation number 1. Now next triangle ANF, first ANC, second ANF. Here AN perpendicular upon NF base, perpendicular is equal to sin 2 theta. Here angle is 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta, that is equal to tan 2 theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan 2 theta. So move on. Here tan 2 theta is equal to, here an upon nf is equal to focal length f, then tan 2 theta is approximately equal to 2 theta. 2 theta is equal to an upon f, then theta is equal to an upon 2f. This is your equation number 2. Now comparing 1 and 2, 1 and 2, फर्स्ट और सेकंड इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करेंगे. हियर फर्स्ट थीटा an अपॉन r, दैट इज इक्वल टू थीटा an अपॉन 2f. an थीटा थीटा कैन बी कैंसल आउट, देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट द फोकल लेंथ या r. f is equal to r divided by 2. If you calculate the radius, then r is equal to 2 multiplied by f. तो ये रिलेशन लास्ट टाइम मैंने आपको बताया था डायरेक्ट कि f फोकल लेंथ इज इक्वल टू रेडियस बाय 2, बट यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला. तो आपने क्वेश्चन करा था कि ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया, तो हमने इसको प्रूव करा कि फॉर ए कॉनकेव आप इसको सिमिलर कॉन्वेक्स के थ्रू भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं, बट आपको सीबीएसई एग्जाम में इसको प्रूव करने के लिए नहीं आएगा. जस्ट यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला. तो मैंने आपको प्रूव करके बता दिया कि ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आ रहा है. इज इट क्लियर? तो आप इसको कॉनकेव और कॉन्वेक्स दोनों के लिए आप इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, अभी तक आपने 10th में यही याद रखना है कि the relationship between focal length and radius of curvature, if you calculate the focal length, that is equal to radius by 2. These are the equal distance, mean here 2 centimeter, again here 2 centimeter. If you calculate the focal length, this length, देन इट इज इक्वल टू रेडियस डिवाइड बाय 2, हाफ करेंगे तो आ जाएगा। अगर ये 4 सेंटीमीटर है टोटल P से लेके N से लेके C तक, अगर ये 4 है, आपने ये निकालना है तो क्या करेंगे 4 डिवाइड बाय 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 सेंटीमीटर। इफ यू कैलकुलेट द रेडियस, अगर आपने रेडियस निकालना है, ये 2 है तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय f दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ लास्ट टाइम किसी बच्चे ने क्वेश्चन करा था कि ये रिलेशन कहाँ से आया, जिसके कारण मैंने आपको प्रूव करके बताया कि r या f इज इक्वल टू r बाय 2। आपको 10th में इसको प्रूव करने का जरूरत नहीं है, बट यू कैन रिमेंबर हाउ टू प्रूव दीज फॉर्मूलाज। सो नेक्स्ट वन, योर रूल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज। नेक्स्ट इज रूल फॉर द formation of image by a spherical mirror। अभी मैं जल्दी करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसकी पहले वीडियो बनी हुई है, आपने वहाँ से चेक कर लेना है। जस्ट आपने अगर रीकैप करना है तो इस वीडियो को आप देख सकते हैं। अब दोनों रूल साथ साथ में बताऊंगा। पहले हमने अलग अलग करा, यहाँ पे कॉन्केव लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट साइड कॉन्वेक्स। योर फर्स्ट रूल इज, दिस इज योर कॉन्केव मिरर, principal axis, this point pole. If first rule is, if incident ray parallel to the principal axis, a reflected ray cut on the principal focus. In case of convex, principal axis, pole, incident ray parallel to the principal axis, a reflected ray meet at a point F. Your second rule is the opposite of first. This is your concave mirror, principal axis, this point pole. If incident ray cross through the principal focus, then reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. Here, principal axis, pole, incident ray strike, that is your F, and reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. Third rule, incident ray cross through the center of curvature, strike on a mirror. Now retrace their path. Pole meet at a point C. Now retrace their path. Last one, if incident ray strike on a pole with an angle, reflect with an same angle, mean these two angles are same. Similar in case of convex, it's your pole, incident ray strike on a pole, reflect with an same angle. So these are the four rules for a spherical mirror, concave and a convex mirror. So after that we will study the image formation by concave and a convex mirror. After that image formation by a concave mirror। अभी लास्ट में हमने लेंस के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ है, तो अभी फिर से रिकैप करेंगे कि अगर दिस इज योर concave mirror, principal axis, this point pole, अगर आपने ऑब्जेक्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिया हुआ है, मिरर के वन साइड लिया हुआ है, और इमेज जो है राइट साइड और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से ऊपर की तरफ बन रही है, लेंस के केस में अपोजिट है, दैट इज इट इज वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट। अगर जिस साइड ऑब्जेक्ट लिया उसी साइड इमेज बनी, बट डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस दैट इज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड। तो हम 6 रे डायग्राम रीड करेंगे किसके लिए, कॉनकेव